Welcome to Apex IPC Expo. My name is Trevor Galbraith. I'm Editor-in-Chief of Global SMT in Packaging. And I'm delighted to introduce Romana Chilko, who's our new Managing Editor.
Thank you.
Welcome, Romana.
Thank you.
This is your first visit to Apex, and the weather has been pretty cool.
It was cool in February in San Diego, but it didn't reflect the temperature of the industry inside the halls. Apex IPC Expo experienced its busiest show in the last 4 years, justifying the move from Las Vegas to San Diego.
Great. Okay, so we had 4,915 conference and exhibit hall delegates, or attendees should I say, representing a 26% increase over the 2011 numbers. And if you add in the exhibitors and their staff, the overall number that rises to just under 9,000 visitors over the course of the show. Here are some of the highlights from the show floor. Aqueous Technologies had the most impressive booth and the coolest new product on the show floor. The Typhoon is the first inline defluxing machine from the Aqueous stable. As you would expect from Mike Conrad's team, it brings in a range of additional new features to inline cleaning, including a polycarbonate chassis in a 3-meter footprint. The Typhoon has 3 cleaning zones, 1 rinse zone and a rotating air knife in the drying chamber. It currently works with DI water only, but there are plans in the works to release further models that will utilize a range of cleaning chemistries.
Kaizen introduced Aquanox A4638, a water-soluble chemistry for cleaning under low standoffs. Kaizen also highlighted their engineering services department that offer process control for monitoring bath chemistry and a range of other custom cleaning solutions.
Murtec are another of the industry's great innovators, and this year they introduced 2 new models. The MV7 XP focuses on the LED and advanced packaging market, inspecting wire bond and stitch ball defects. The MV7 UP AOI system uses confocal chromatic inspection to test the epoxy deposition in LEDs. It also uses a 3D multi-frequency moire.
Juki had 2 new pick-and-place machines. The 3010 and the 3020V is 5 times faster than its predecessor. Juki also introduced a reflow oven and printer at the show to offer customers a turnkey line. Both the printer and the oven are backed by 3 years parts and labor warranty provided with their placement machines.
Zestron launched the N600 pH neutral product with a pH value of 7.5 or less for board defluxing. The company also launched a water-soluble material called Hydron WS325. It's a defluxing agent that operates at very low concentrations of 3 to 5%. LaserJob announced the opening of their Canadian office to service the Canadian, US and Mexican markets. The office is located 45 minutes to the west of Toronto, enabling stencils to be shipped within 24 hours to customers. LaserJob are introducing their high-precision step stencils to the Americas market. MyData launched a new addition to the Agilis feeder range. The Agilis Flex feeder can accommodate tapes from 8mm wide to 102mm. It is a smart feeder that is quick and easy to load. MyData also demonstrated cavity printing on the My500 printer, which enables components to be recessed into the cavities etched out from the board real estate to reduce the overall height of the component. Machine Vision Products had 5 new product offerings, including the MVP Ultra V, which has an accuracy of 3 to 5 micron, an 8-megapixel camera, offering a speed increase over its predecessor of 40%. The Ultra SPI system is a combination of 2D and 3D with a speed reaching 5 inches per second. The system uses real-time data, resulting in very low false call rates. Another new introduction is the ID code for bottom-side inspection of selective soldering equipment inspection and barcodes. MVP also launched 2 line management software systems. Inventec used Apex as a launchpad for their new range of acrylic-based conformal coatings that are solvent-free, UV traceable and low VOC materials, which have had a great success in the automotive and energy markets.
Nordson Dage made the American debut of their X-Plane system, launched at Productronica. X-Plane offers non-destructive 3D X-ray inspection of boards up to 18 by 16 inches. The product has been extremely popular since its launch, and Nordson Dage are extending the offer to provide it free with all new machine purchases till May 31st.
Yamaha made its US debut through their appointed distributor Trans Technology. Trans Technology is a well-known and highly experienced Yamaha distributor based out of Singapore. The US operations will be headed up by Brian O'Leary, and the company will be headquartered in Phoenix, Arizona. They are currently hiring a range of reps and field service engineers and are set to become a major force in the US pick-and-place market.
SM Tech introduced a new tray changer magazine that holds up to 18 trays of components for their Barracuda pick-and-place machines. SM Tech also introduced a new semi-automatic printer for low volume and prototyping work.
Assembleon made the US debut of their iFlex system, first introduced at Productronica. Available in 4 different configurations ranging from single head, single gantry up to twin head, 4 gantry solutions. The iFlex uses linear motors and carbon fiber gantries for optimum speed and accuracy.
Nihon Superior were exhibiting a range of aluminum wires for solar applications. The aluminum wires offer cost savings of 1/3 over tin copper.
So that wraps it up for this year's Apex IPC Expo. That was just a taste of some of the products that we saw on the show floor. There were, of course, many more that you'll see in the video products that we will be showing over the coming months in our daily newsletters. So Apex will be back here in San Diego next year from February 19th to 21st. In the meantime, this is Trevor Galbraith
And Romana Chalco saying goodbye from Global SMT and Packaging.
Goodbye.